tong si Dada Yuboko.
Yeah, hindi siya yung regular setter nila. No? In the meantime, Pesebre slaps it over. Here comes a set. Pesebre again tries and scores, and the Judiciary is on the board.
Yeah, not much.
In the meantime, this serve is long, and it's read well by the end line and the back row players.
Oh, si Madalugdog, good eye there. Sinundan niya yung bola.
Yeah, but it landed inside. 4-2 ang bilang. Judiciary with the early lead. Ivy serve lands in cleanly, but it is mishandled. First by nag-coaches sa mga schools. Uy, onto smart move! That's a well-done play.
Yeah, this is a good decision na si Yuboko ang ginawang setter. Kasi matapang si Yuboko, lalo na sa mga on-two plays.
He doesn't usually start. Nakakapagod kasi mag-practice ng wrist action sa volleyball. Boras punches it over. Kept in play. Here's Kainlet with the set. Here's Pesebre. They will attack. The set. It's inside.
Nicely done by Proferosa. Pero she signaled to herself, nako, dapat ilagay ko sa gitna. Because that was a good angle though, zone 5.
Tied at 12. Good attack by Proferosa, and the libero unable to hoist it high. Sheena Castillo dropping to the deck.
Yeah, you could see yung confidence level ni Kainglet kay Proferosa.
So Janice, Pesebre, Yuboko, Boras, Kainglet, Tubog. Boras cuts it. Yes!
Ang ganda ng...
Because some of the justices were having a conference there.
Wow.
But she decided to come down.
Amazing commitment to, alam mo na.
Hindi tumawid ang bola. Itinaas. Here comes the set. Kainglet will go to Adolfo. Oh, well returned by Boras. Kept in play. Rejected. Oh, well done.
Adolfo, very aggressive at the net. Binabantayan talaga niya kung sino yung papalo next. Look at that. Kakatira lang niya, but she didn't run or go far from the net. Talagang watching the ball.
Good point. She stayed right there. Free ball forthcoming. Pesebre whips it over to the other side. And that worked. 1 point lead by the BFP. That has worked several times. Nice drop by Bajek. Oh, well done by Castillo. Mainit yun. Tubog serve high. Kainglet with the set. Yuboko gets to it. Reverse rolls there. Madulugdog gets it to bite. And we are set. Judiciary trying to get a win here that'll kick up their chances in the team standings. Very significant given that the Comelec won earlier today against the Senate. Down and out, 2 straight points by the B. Fight out of Judiciary early on here. That is well done by Pesebre against the 2 blockers.
Yeah, Pesebre going for the...
Osmelia serve just above the net. Blocked. Boras, Yuboko, Pesebre. Nicely done.
Pesebre takes advantage kung halimbawa isa lang ang blocker mo, makukuha niya, mapapasok niya yung bola.
And what else? Good stretch downstairs by Pesebre. Boras whips it against the double block. And that net has been the domain, the control area of the BFP.
And that was possible because Abellano was able to block the first ball. Ayun. Kaya yung quick return na yon was parang reaction ng...
Boko will serve. Good serve. Bentik. wallops it in. Pesebre gets some help from the net. Into the long corner, but it's long.
Nila, full second six
Yeah.
nila, or a combination of the first and second six.
But they lose a point there. And Tumog. Slow down. Reach for by Angeles. Talo sa net ang judiciary.
Oo, kasi nga,
And another long rally in play. Who will commit the error? Sabi sa'yo. Pesebre. Walang problema yun. Pare-pareho yan sa Olympics, sa BNL, sa high school. In the meantime, Tubog gets it to bite and brings her team within 5.
yeah, that's a good wrist away from Tubog. Look at that. Nicely done.
Yep, and Sumalinog returns after Yuboko has to heave it over. Omelosa. Adolfo watching her work. Back row at work, not clean. It will be an easy over here. Free ball in play. Here's the set by Yuboko, who loves doing this.
Yeah, you have to watch her.
Rules,
Oo.
Atake sa gitna. Tinaas ni Boras. Boras and company. Oh, that's well done by Pesebre.
Yes. Again, silang dalawa eh, yung communication.
Uh-oh. Bungled by Bakure, who
Oh.
jumped. Ooh. Is she okay?
Yes.
Okay naman. Lerma Tubog and her serve. Diaz. Yes! Well done. Adolfo brings back the lead to the BFP.
The blocker was there, but her ball went.
Ooh,
Boy.
problematic,
Oh.
and it's dead in the water. 2 service aces. And it is now 25-22, same score as the first set. It's heartbreaking for the judiciary because they played well in the
Yes.
second set.
Oo, they had.
Madulugdog will so shocked. Di pa assembled yung
Yes.
back row.
Oo.
Atakihin mo na kagad.
Correct.
Tabla sa 1, 2-1 as the judiciary takes an early. Kainglet. Pinalo, dinikdik. Marcaida says, wag ka nang babalik. Pinalis na kita.
Kasi kanina pa sinasabi rin ng coach of BFP no, na ang gitna ng judiciary ang butas. So, you know, for 2 points already, nakuha nila sa gitna.
And exactly. With Pesebre, kept in play by Kainglet rather. Nice on 2. Not much of a connection. Long rally again. Short on Yabut's try.
So, magsa-second guess ka kung ikaw yung attacker.
That's
eh.
a good point. 6-3. Service ace. Yuboko will come in. Kainglet running set. Does not work. Does not result in an attack. Pesebre whips it in. Marcaida is there. Oh, good defense at the back row that time by Mendoza Villapando, who, however, ends up with the serve. Anjanette serve in play. Nicely done. Tubog hits the ground. Still close and tight. Judiciary down by 2, but with the serve, 8-10. Chance to attack here. Tap.
Nice.
Oh! Mishit, but they'll take it.
I don't know if that was planned or by chance, but you know, mukhang planado eh kasi nakabukas yung kamay
Okay.
tapos separated
But
yung mga
it
fingers.
sounded like yun ang rational nun.
Oo. Oh, good pancake!
Buhay pa.
Oh!
Aray ko. Ang irony ng buhay nga naman.
Oh, wow!
Watch this.
That's a good pancake.
Magpantay and keeps it in play. And then Boras at the last moment decides it was going out. But she was back. Madulugdog. Boras. Pesebre. Yes.
Ang zone.
Based on 8 attacks and 1 service ace. Boras. Matubog. Kainglet. Well done. Oh, an elbow does the job for Yabut. Mendoza. And that is hit long. Oh, service ace.
You know that.
Lead. Boras. Magpantay. Oh, well done. Well done.
Yeah. That was a
Proferosa.
perfect set for Proferosa. I mean, look at that.
Proferosa started here today and she has been tireless. She has produced 8 points.
Oo. Alam mo, ang ganda ng wrist.
Madulugdog tries to end it. Pesebre. One more time around the block. Yes.
Nicely done by Pesebre.
One more time around the block. And that'll do it. Abellana closes the deal.